Hello my YouTube friends, this is Non Mechanic Kid, and today I want to talk about should you get a receipt when you get your car done in a repair shop, when they do work and they do a repair to your car. And the quick answer to that is yes, definitely yes. You should always get a receipt for any repair they have done in your car. This car behind me is a 2008 Dodge Charger with a 2.7 engine. The lady, the owner of this car, went to a shop and she had a few codes, and one of the codes was P0456, evaporator emission system leak detected, very small leak. Now, they say they replaced the leak detection pump, but the code is back. She also had a code of cylinder 4 misfire, and that's what I have here. I also have that here, cylinder 4 misfire detection P0304. Now, I just took this today, the codes out of this car, but this is what they had supposed to repair in the shop she took it. They charged us $750 just to change all the coils, 6 coils, and supposed to that detection pump in the back. Now, here we are, 2 months later, and she's having this problem again. She went to the shop, and the first thing the guy said was, well, when the car left out of here, the car was working fine. She got upset. She just jetted out of there. She first argued with the guy, and she left out of there. Now, I asked her for a receipt, and she doesn't have a receipt. So she paid $750 to this guy or this shop to prepare this misfire and the other codes that he had. And here we go, 2 months later. Now, in New York State, I don't know anywhere else, if a car shop, a mechanic, anybody change a part from your car and you ask him for that part, he must give it to you. It could be a spark plug. It could be a small wire. Anything you ask them for in New York State, they must give it to you. Now, if I was the owner of that shop and she paid me $750 and she came 2 months later and she tells me she had this problem, I would not answer her like that. What I would do is, okay, let me go check the car and let's see what is going on with the car. Because now you have the misfire, the 4 misfire, and we're supposed to have fixed it. So let me go check it. And I would have done it for free because it's 2 months later. She just paid you $750. So what I would do, I would diagnose the problem and find out what it is. You just can't tell a customer that when the car left out of your shop, the car was working. You cannot do that. This is the reason why people are losing trust on mechanic. I know a lot of trustworthy mechanics. I know a lot of them. They are honest mechanics. And what happens is that, you know, they get a bum rap for people that jip and take people for their money. They take a bum rap. And I feel sorry for you, honest mechanics, the ones that are out there. I feel sorry for you. But you got mechanics out there ripping people. And this, you know, this lady is not rich, doesn't have a lot of money. So now here I am picking up the dirt of someone else. You know, I'm going to check cylinder number 4 and I check anything I have to check. But you should always get a receipt from whoever does your car. So once again, this is Non Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.